Hi, and welcome back to another tutorial on SQL. In this video, I'm going to briefly talk about distinct select distinct. Depending on the program or tool you use, distinct function allows you to select distinct values within a data set or unique values in data set. What are unique or distinct values in a data set? So allow me to demonstrate that to you. A distinct value here would be these two. This, if we ask to look at it a distinct value, then one of this will be removed. Then we only have one value. So any value that's not duplicate or any value that's not repeated twice will be called a distinct value. So or a unique value. So depending on what tool or technology you use, there are different names used for it, and there's different ways and syntaxes that you can use. Um, in Python or SQL to uh, work with distinct values or data within specific fields or columns. So let's say we would like to, if we say we would like to take a look at all the regions, right? And you will see that we're going to get all the regions, but then here we have some values that are duplicate, like these two. Like, there's another query here. There's another query here. So you'll probably see a bunch of them. Now, if we say, give us uh, a distinct uh, query, or please give us a result, the result of our query in ways that are the values are distinct. This is the syntax we use. And then run it. You're going to see that all the values that we get are actually non-duplicated or distinct values, which is only 12. So there will be times that you can make use of distinct value function. Remember that. It's very important. You can either put this in when you run the when you run the syntax, you can either put your name of column into parentheses, or you also don't have to do that. So let's run it again. You can see that we still have it. So it's a better practice to put it in the parentheses. I would do it because I want to make distinct and the field name distinct from each other, separate from each other. So it's a better practice, especially when you have a long uh, statement. Then that will be very effective in separating the function from the actual uh, uh, operator, from the actual attributions. This is it for this video. Thank you so much for your time.